How to find someone on Instagram using phone number. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find someone on Instagram using phone number. Without further ado, let's get started. Before you head on straight to the Instagram app, let's first visit the App Store over here. Or if you have an Android, just visit your Play Store and then search for Instagram. Tap on Instagram. So what we're going to do here is to check if our Instagram application is up to date. Now, like this, if it says an update or if it shows an update button, that means that our Instagram app is currently outdated. So we have to update it. Just tap on the update button over here, and doing that will get you the latest features within the app, especially the feature of being able to find someone on Instagram using their phone number. So assuming that I am now done updating my Instagram app, let's just head on and open Instagram right here. And from here, let's tap on our profile icon at the bottom right hand corner so we can be at our profile page. Once we're here, let's just tap on the 3-bar line at the top right corner and click on settings over here. After that, let's click on account right here. And among these options, you should see the option that says contact syncing. Just tap on that. And here you can connect your contacts. So to help people connect to an Instagram, you can choose to have your contacts periodically synced and stored on Instagram servers. You can also pick which contacts to follow, and you can also disconnect anytime to stop syncing. You can also click on learn more over here to know more about the context of this feature. So basically, it will depend on whether or not that specific Instagram user have linked their phone number to their account. So Instagram will recommend accounts to follow to you and other Instagram users based on your contacts. So let's just tap on this toggle button right here to make it turn blue, and it will immediately have your contacts connected to your Instagram app, and this will also get the Instagram to suggest Instagram profiles that might be potentially on your contacts. So that is how you can basically find someone on Instagram using phone number. And to find that suggested friends, you can also click on this person icon beside the edit profile, and you should see the discover people option. You can also click on see all and scroll through, and the suggested and your contacts Instagram profiles might be showed up in here. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.